Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to open a Questrade account. But before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's take a moment to think about why you might want to open a Questrade account in the first place. Questrade is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products and services. They're known for their low fees and user-friendly platform, making them a great choice for both beginner and experienced investors. So, if you're looking to start investing or if you're just looking for a better way to manage your money, Questrade could be a great option for you. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to open a Questrade account. Step 1. Go to the Questrade website. The first step is to go to the Questrade website. Once you're there, click on the Open an Account button. Step 2. Fill out your personal information. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Step 3. Answer some financial questions. Questrade will ask you some questions about your financial situation, such as your income and investment experience. Step 4. Choose your account type. You can choose between a personal account or a joint account. Step 5. Fund your account. You can fund your account by transferring money from your bank account or by using a credit card. Step 6. Verify your identity. You'll need to verify your identity by providing a copy of your government-issued ID. Step 7. Start trading. Once your account is verified, you can start trading stocks, ETFs, and other investment products. That's all there is to it. Opening a Questrade account is a simple and straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Once you have your account set up, you'll be able to start investing in your financial future. Here are some additional tips for opening a Questrade account. Do your research. Before opening a Questrade account, it's important to do your research and make sure that Questrade is the right choice for you. There are a number of other online brokerages to choose from, so it's important to compare features and fees before making a decision. Take advantage of Questrade's resources. Questrade offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Be sure to take advantage of these resources to help you get started. Start small. It's a good idea to start small when you're first investing. This will help you get a feel for the market and avoid making any big mistakes. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio and investing for the long term. By following these tips, you can open a Questrade account and start investing in your financial future. And that's it for today's video on how to open a Questrade account. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.